Good evening, friends. It's Nick and Ben out here on the Skunk River again. We're just north of Ames over by Story City, and the river is looking really low. But that doesn't mean there aren't fish to be caught. We're just going to make our way north and try to get around this down power line you see up here. Iowa had probably one of its worst windstorms probably in recorded history, would you say? Darn close.
Yeah, I'd say so.
90 to 100, almost 120 mile an hour winds, flatline winds, isn't that what they call them? And so it was quite a storm. Both Ben and I had property damage, but not bad, right? Compared to what some people are dealing with. Anyways, we're gonna make our way north, get around this power line, hopefully safe and sound. I think we should be able to get around it no problem and see if we can catch some fish. Wish us luck. Ben did really well the other night, but I'm aching for a good night too, so let's get on it. So you can, folks, see that power line's still coming down right here. Goes back up, and we're just gonna safely step over that thing because I don't know what it's capable of. I know nothing about electricity, so we'll just get that out of the way real quick. And we'll be on our way. There's one, Ben. That's a nice one too. First fish of the evening for Ben and I, and that is a great way to start the day. I'm not going to get a measure on him, but that's a nice smallmouth for me. So I got Ben's approval. Beautiful fish. We'll get him back so he can get bigger. There's a little fella for us, friends. He was no stranger to that swim bait. Just using kind of a natural colored 4-inch swim bait tonight. Ben's got the jig on about the same color, so we caught a nice size one, and now we got a little one, so catching all kinds of smallmouth. There's another one. Might be a good fun evening tonight, friends. Here's another one, 2 casts in a row off that swim bait. So they're into it. Another nice one for us. They're all such beautiful fish. Such a fun time. How fortunate am I to be catching a couple this evening. Oh my goodness, there are fish up in here. I think this one's even bigger. Yeah, he might be the same one. Whatever the case, they're into it right now. That's 3 out of this pocket. Another beautiful smallmouth there. Caught more quality fish this evening than I did after 5-hour fishing Saturday morning, so that is nothing to complain about. Another little fella there. I'm kind of quiet this evening because Ben made a suggestion that maybe we try to tread really light this evening and just try to be real quiet and see if that changes anything. Just try not to spook them, and so far it's been working really well for me. Ben hasn't caught any on the jig yet, but I'm sure that's going to change real fast. But yeah, there's plenty of fish in here and they're biting, and hopefully by staying quiet they'll stay on it. There's another nice one from the corner there. I think Ben has been calling every spot I've been throwing for fish, and I've been catching them and taking them from him. Not on purpose. He'll get one though. Here's another one. Beautiful fish. Ben had a night like this the other day, and boy is it, it's a lot of fun. As you can tell by my somber voice, we're having a blast. Beautiful fish. Got one here. Another medium-sized smallie here. There's another one. As you can see, there's a smallmouth here and plenty of tree debris right there. More evidence of that crazy windstorm we had a week ago. There's a nice one, I think. That's a better one. A little better one. quite the first one we caught, but I can get along with that again. Well, folks, the sky is telling me it's time to pack it up and head home. I'll probably take a couple casts on the way back downstream, but it's hard to be on the river in the darkness, so pretty fun evening. No complaints. I'll be sure to show you guys more fish if I catch some, though. But until next time, we'll see you later.